Want to bring you an update now on the opioid crisis, which certainly has had a major impact here in southern New England.
Today's International Overdose Awareness Day, which is being observed as Rhode Island and Massachusetts learn they'll both be receiving some money from the government to help combat the problem.
Eyewitness News reporter Julian Pixoto is live from the Providence Mobile Newsroom with a breakdown of the money that's being dispersed.
Good morning. Well, awareness days like today are extremely important, especially here in Rhode Island. Last year alone, 250 Rhode Island residents died from opioid drug overdoses. And new this morning, we're learning the federal government is going to help the state fight this epidemic. We've learned that Rhode Island will receive up to about $27 million in federal grant money to fight the opioid abuse crisis. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services announcing overnight it is dispersing $53 million across 44 states. The money will be used to improve access to addiction treatment, reduce overdose deaths, and strengthen and prevent efforts. Now, Rhode Island was selected to receive money from 3 federal grants. The first will expand access to medication-assisted treatment services. Rhode Island was one of 11 states selected to receive up to $11 million. The second grant will help fund prescription drug monitoring programs, further prevention efforts, and create strategies to improve safe prescribing practices. Rhode Island was one of 14 states chosen to receive up to $11.5 million. The third grant will be used to better track fatal and non-fatal overdoses. Rhode Island was one of 12 states selected to receive up to $4.27 million for this. Now, Massachusetts was also selected for this grant. It is the only one the Bay State was selected to receive. Now, as part of Overdose Awareness Day, Rhode Island Hospital will be sponsoring a day full of information from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Doctors, social workers, and others will be on hand at the hospital to provide information on addiction and resources. Live in Providence with the Mobile Newsroom, Julianne Pixoto, Eyewitness News.